Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On our first DIY video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful fluffy whipped body butter that I formulate using different type of organic butter and different type of organic oil. You are free to substitute any of the butter and any oil of your choice if you are going to give it a try. First step, we are going to add and melt all our butters together. I use 2 tablespoons of each butter. You can either use the microwave or use the stove. If you use the stove, make sure it's in the lower heat. After your butter is melted, go ahead and add into a mixture bowl, put in the fridge or the freezer until it's hard and firm. Just hard enough for you to be able to push your finger through. And then you get your electronic mixture and begin to whip your butter. After 5 minutes into whipping, as you can see, my butter begin to change. I whip it for about like 5 to 10 more minutes, and that's when I go ahead and add all my oils. I add 2 tablespoons of each oil: the sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, carrot oil, and vitamin E oil. I did not use any extra scent on mine because I have been using this butter on my kids, so I don't want any extra scent on them. So I only use the carrot. My carrot smell overpower all the butter and all the oil smell. So after all your oils, you just go ahead and whip for a couple of minutes, and that's it. You make your first organic whipped body butter that is free of chemical and free of charge. As you can see there, I was trying on me. It's not oily, it's not too greasy, and not greasy, not too greasy. It's just not greasy at all. No matter how much I use it, it's not leaving my skin greasy or oily. Shea butter is very good for your skin. I substitute the avocado oil with coconut oil, so I add coconut oil on mine because coconut oil is also good for moisturizing. After you're done, just go ahead and store your butter into a container or any glass container of your choice, and that's it. Look at the butter it's giving. So fluffy, and that's it. So don't forget to show me some love on my YouTube channel. Go subscribe, like, and share. Connect with me through all my social media. I have so many tips to share on makeup, DIY, and recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to set your notification bell on so you won't miss a post.